I miss saying that.
You do?
What's the scoops?
Trust me, I miss hearing you say that. Nah, I'm just kidding. We had some good talent filling in for you, so it's all good. But, you know, Lina girls. All right, here we go. As we get ready to celebrate New Year's Eve and enter the new year, we wanted to bring a couple of things to your attention. First of all, and you know, sis, I cannot believe that I actually have to say this, but the Hawaii Department of Transportation reminds drivers it is illegal to stop or park on the highways to view fireworks.
Yes, it is. Although, who listens?
Look
you
at
know
that.
what I'm saying?
Look at what's there's a trapfic jam of people just standing on the street. You see, I got the umbrella. I mean, it's like
this
crazy.
This is literally last year.
Yeah.
Oh, excuse me, earlier this year.
Yeah.
Well, you know, police and deputy sheriffs will cite individuals for pulling over, sitting or standing on a highway or freeway, and for impeding the flow of traffic for non-emergency situations.
I was going to say, they better bring on big book of citations. Better be like fat. Better be fat, because I always get choked people on the freeway. I mean, it's so beautiful.
It's, well, you know, it's, you're never going to get a show like that. No. You know, they just came out with a list of the 10, you know, hottest cities worldwide for the best fireworks. And I was very upset that they didn't include Eva Beach. Because that's usually where it's at.
Eva Beach, Waipahu, Kaneohe, Waimanalo, yeah. Anyway, get us local people going to have.
We're there.
And I'm so glad they were able to crack down on the illegal fireworks. So that's good.
Yes.
Anyway, here's the second thing we want to get on your radar. You got Hawaiian Airlines Premier Club, yeah?
I do, yes. And oh, are you talking about the email notification?
Yes.
Okay, because I just received that this morning from Hawaiian Airlines.
Yeah, and by the way, if you are a Premier Club member and you haven't checked your email yet, spoiler alert, Alaska Air Group, or now Hawaiian, that's Hawaiian Airlines parent company, they sent an email with a mahalo message for being a valued Premier Club member, along with notice that effective January 1st, 2025, like a couple days from now, renewals will no longer be available for purchase.
But they did express their gratitude by offering up complimentary Pualani Gold status that will be valid through the 2025 program year. Then to continue with Pualani Gold, you just need to fly 30 segments or 20,000 miles.
Oh, so like a segment is what, like one way, or is that?
Yeah, it's a one way, and then the next segment would be to come back. So that would be 2 segments.
Okay, so if I go Japan, that's I think it's like almost 7,000. So I just have to go
miles.
Japan like 3 times.
Actually, well, you could go, come back, and then go and stay there. No, I'm just kidding, because that's 21,000 miles, right?
Wow.
No, come back. I'm going to miss you.
Yeah, sure. Oh, man.
But I'm so glad you did the math on that.
Well, I did, and I also looked at if you want to fly to their hub, you know, Alaska Air Group in Seattle, you just have to do like 4 round trips. And the cool thing is it's only $1,300, you know, round trip to go to Seattle.
I would probably just want to go neighbor islands and go visit my ohana.
There you go. Much cheaper.
Yes.